Good afternoon, Facebook. My name is Chelsea Clark. I am the Director of Organizational Culture and Communications at L&W Insurance. And as the person who's pushing all of our communications externally, I thought it would be a great opportunity for us to start reaching out and kind of talking about insurance a little bit more and giving us an opportunity to open up the floor to questions for anybody who has to submit any, and just really get to know our agents in the office and how informative they are and how much they bring to the table. And our goal always is to be the calm in your chaos. It's to be able to help answer these questions for you when you're trying to figure out insurance, because it's not always user-friendly, and that's what we're here for. So I have wrangled up one of my agents, Dave Sciortino. He is a commercial agent, has been here for many years, and he's also vice president of the agency, and he has agreed, much to his dismay, to let me put him on camera and ask him a few questions that we had roll in. His specialty is commercial insurance, so I'm just going to fire away a couple questions at him and let him go. So without further ado, I'm going to flip this camera and point it at Dave.
Hello, Facebook. How's everyone today?
See, he
Dave
handled that well.
Yep, Dave Sciortino, been here 17 years.
17.
17, and been in the insurance industry for a little bit over 22 years. So I've been around and know a lot of things, and seen a lot of people, helped a lot of clients, make sure claims are paid, make sure they're happy, premiums are down. That's the big focus, making sure our clients are happy.
See, he knows all the things, and he's incredibly client-focused. He's one of the best, and people appreciate him very, very much. So with that being said, my first question, and one that probably people would ask the most, and it's a real simple baseline, should be easy for us to answer, but we're an independent insurance agency. So why would a consumer or client choose an independent agency over calling direct?
Well, the advantage of an independent agency is we're your trusted advisor. And the biggest option for that is we also work with multiple insurance companies. When I say multiple, here at L&W, we work with over 20 plus insurance carriers. What that ensures is that you're getting the best premium, you're getting the best coverage, and you're getting the best customer service through our agency.
Mm-hmm. And it's options too, and I think that that's one of the things that really stands out. When you're in a position and maybe it's time to part ways with one company, we have options and we can do that legwork for you so that you don't have to do it.
This is correct. Mm-hmm. And with those options, again, comes better premiums. And that's what we want to make sure that we take care of our clients, to make sure that they're able to get the best premiums, to make sure they give back to their clients who they have to take care of on a day-to-day basis. And also coverages, because sometimes you may pay a little bit more for a premium or less. Make sure the coverages are adequate. And when there is a claim, that's what we're here for. We make sure that when you call us for a claim, you do not call a 1-800 number, you call us. And then from that point, we take care of it, we walk you through it, we make sure that everything is adequate, you're satisfied, and you became whole when everything is said and done.
Absolutely. Okay, so since your primary focus is commercial insurance, from a very baseline perspective, for anybody out there that is listening and watching us yammer on, what are the, I guess, most common types of commercial insurance policies that someone might need?
Common types: general liability, covers you for any lawsuits that occur, trips and falls at your premises, something of that nature. Also, you look at property insurance, business property, whether you have owned the building or leased the building, it is covered that way. And then also workers' compensation when you have employees. And of course, if you own vehicles, business auto.
Okay. I mean, pretty much runs the gamut, and we can do all of it here.
We can do all of it.
Uh-huh. So, okay, say I'm starting a business. And if I'm going out there and I am just getting started, I'm building my business plan, it's something small, I'm probably going to have to rent a location. What kind of policy do I need if I'm not the owner of the building? I'm just looking to rent a policy, and I'm a small business getting started.
Right. As a leasee, you're going to need commercial general liability. And again, if you have any property inside the building, you're going to need business personal property. That's the best way. A lot of times your landlord will give you recommendations of what he requires for being a leasee. And at that time, we definitely can adjust that and make sure that you're covered properly.
Okay. All right. So if I am building out this plan and I've got my leasee insurance and we're working through that, what other considerations from that standpoint when I'm building out do you think are top?
When you're building out, you got to again look at, okay, what kind of business am I going to have? Am I going to have employees? How many employees? What their payroll is? workers' comp, and there's a certain rate that we back into to get you the best overall premium. We also look at if you need a commercial umbrella policy. Commercial umbrella policy would cover over all your below policies, which would be your general liability, your commercial auto, and your workers' compensation coverage.
All right. I mean, I think that that's pretty comprehensive.
It is pretty comprehensive, and actually, here at L&W, the nice thing is we make it pretty painless. A lot of times, when I go and see my clients, I have a very easy proposal that we come out and they understand it, and we do the layman's terms so they understand what we're trying to sell. If it gets a little more complicated, they do call us, we go through the questions that they have, and make sure that they're 100% satisfied. And that's why we love our clients.
Absolutely. Painless. That's what we want to be. We want to make insurance as painless as possible for our clients. And that we want them to trust us. So that's kind of what this video is. Like, start listening to it coming directly from our mouths, and we can help answer those questions. So, Dave, thank you so much for letting me point the camera at you. And everybody, we really appreciate you tuning in, and we will keep this coming. So start submitting questions in. Tell your friends. If you have a question, send it to us so we can start answering them on Ask an Agent. Have a good afternoon. Bye.